get right into the video. I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. This is super cool, guys. And if you want to see anyone's Patreon for free, well, here's the Patreon mod. And when I open this post, as you can see, gotta pay. But look at this, unlock for free with dev mode option. I'm going to press continue. It's going to add the dev mode access, and then I'm going to show you how to do it. So as you can see, let's try to view it, and bang. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this. Let's get into the video. So first thing we're going to do is go over to zoomods.com. So let me just type it in. So on this site is a lot of mods and stuff, but just ignore it all until you find Patreon. So as you can see, there it is. So now press on it, and before it downloads, there's going to be a verification, guys. So you just have to download 2 apps and follow the instructions, 100% free. So let me just show you guys. We're just going to download the Patreon right here. So yeah, also I do want to mention that there's no computer needed for this method, so you can do it for free. So let's just give it a second for this to load. As you can see, guys, all right, and then we're going to be good to go. So let's see what happens. Are we getting Patreon for free? I don't know, bro, but we're about to find out. So let's see what happens. All right, so it's loading up right now. So anyway, guys, so then we just have to go ahead and complete the verification. So that's pretty easy. So let's just see what happens. You can see it says missing files. So there's a video to watch, but yeah, just do 2 of them. So like Travel Town, you know, Family Island says reach level 11. It's a game. So there's tons of them to choose from. So just make sure you do 2 of the apps. You're going to be good to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That's how to watch anyone's Patreon account for free 2026. So no computer needed, no jailbreaking. One thing you could do though is go to settings and keep the background refresh on and the low power mode turned off. Okay, so keep this on, very important, and then keep the low power mode off. So I'll see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel and everything. It's just super cool, totally works. So if this video works, you guys definitely go and share. I'll see you guys tomorrow, and peace out.